Okay guys, so the lighting is such a struggle. It's really hard to control the lighting because I'm using like the old DSLR. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lantana back again with the girl. So after posting that Wanderlust video on my channel, I've got a chance and also time finally to do an unboxing video of the new iPhone 8 Plus. Like, oh my god, I finally got my hands on this iPhone Plus. I've been wanting to buy the iPhone 8 Plus or the latest version of an iPhone, but Plus is too expensive. Like, the latest iPhone is so expensive, but finally I've got like enough money to buy this phone by myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself for saving money to buy the thing that I really wanted so bad. So I usually use like the small phone, such as the iPhone 4, 5, and currently 6, but now I'm gonna try the iPhone 8. I bought this iPhone 8 Plus from an online store that is called GD.id. Disclaimer, GD.id does not sponsor me on this video. So I bought this iPhone from my very own money. I bought it in the color gold. You guys have to see the box of the rose gold 8 Plus is so much different from the previous iPhone boxes. Like, for example, my old iPhone 6 box is totally white, and compared to this one is kind of like a nudish pink, and the logo is rose gold. It's so cool, you guys. So now let's open this iPhone 8 Plus. First of all, we get this, what do you call, instruction book, and inside of this, of course, like every iPhone user know, we've got a sticker and also like a guidebook, but I didn't even read this guidance because I'm an old iPhone user. So yeah, guys, this is the new iPhone. Ooh, so excited! Oh my god, you guys, it's so big. You guys should see the rose gold is so beautiful compared to the previous one, like the iPhone 7 or 6S. Rose gold is not like a rose gold, it's so pink. This color is like the iPhone gold and iPhone rose gold had a baby, and this is the color. You guys should compare this one, like it's so big, with this one. And what I'm expecting is the camera. The reason why I bought this 8 Plus is because of the camera. I really want to use it for vlogging and also photo shoot. I want to test like the camera. Ooh, oh my god. So this is the 1X. Let's see the 2X. Oh wow. Wow, you guys, so clear, so crystal clear. I'm really expecting the portrait because there are like natural light, studio light, contour light, stage light, also the stage light mono. So inside of the box, after the phone, you get a headphone and also a dongle. Because the iPhone 8 does not have a plug, so we need a dongle. And also we get a charger and a plugger. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that was it for the video. I know this video is kind of crappy because I'm really new to doing like an unboxing video. So yeah, like please comment down below what should I improve, and also please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye guys, see you in my next video.